Ah, yes, the great outdoors. Take it all in, the grass, the trees, the nail polish. Embark on a nail art journey that rekindles your spirit of adventure. When you open your box, you'll find 2 camping themed plates. So the first one is MXM 107, takes you on a tour through some of America's national parks with large buffet style designs. And MXM 108, an ode to the great outdoors with even greater s'mores. Put the pedal to the metal with highway signs and camping gear. And then you're also gonna get early access polishes. They're so pretty. So the first one is Canteen B478, which is a dark green stamping polish with gold shimmers, and S'more B479 is a chocolate brown with shimmering shell finish. Also, for this month, we included a handy souvenir to help out. Our travel size sticky stamper station is the perfect companion for creativity on the go. You'll be prepared to swatch, plan, and tidy up with this handy all-in-one booklet wherever inspiration strikes. And I forgot to mention, this month you'll receive a fun little sticker that says "Feed your soul with your passion." And if you need to know where to go and you are convinced, go ahead to www.manixme.com and don't forget to save $5 off your very first subscription with Sub 5.